morning.
Hear you.
There's no good morning. It's not a good morning. Are you guys able to hear me? At least a good morning would be nice. Good morning, people.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you guys?
Fine.
I don't see you as fine. It was a weekend. You got a holiday. Where's the energy?
In the sky.
Sky, I don't see any energy in the sky.
I went out for body. We had lesson.
I'll show you something, huh, everyone?
Okay. Oh, we should be.
Ready? You are typing. Yay! Alpati, where's yours? Barira, turn on your camera. Hazel, where's yours?
Mom, but I couldn't put a face because it would have. I couldn't have made a face. It would have been so ugly. So I didn't put a face because.
See, heart.
I'm going.
So, let's keep everything that we create in club safe, okay? At the end, we'll take pictures of everything together. Barira, you need to turn on your camera.
My mom has taken this picture of this.
Very nice, Alpha. Your mom took the picture, Laser. What did she do? She put a status?
Jason, where is yours?
I can stay at home. Where's yours?
That's all it is. What?
Barira, if you're not turning on, I'm not going to give you attendance. Amila as well, if you can turn on.
The first one I made, my sister broke it, and then I tried so hard. But then the first one, the handle couldn't hold it straightly, right? We couldn't hold the handle. It would like go down. So then I made this one that I made the second time, I can hold the handle.
That's good. At least we got practice. If you had the other one, you would have to. See, this Friday also we have club. So I want all of you to get colorful papers, okay? For the club, colorful paper, gum, maybe Fevicol, anything.
Thank God I bought 100 color.
Can I teach everyone how to make a jack in the box?
Maybe
Jack in the box?
Yellow, green, blue, red. There will be a bundle of papers, right? At least
I
five.
only bought those.
And some
One
sketch
blue.
pens.
Ma'am,
Yes, Farida.
can I teach everyone how to make like a jack in the box?
What in the what? I didn't get it.
A jack in the box.
Jack in the
Like there is a handle where you go where you and jump scare you.
Yeah.
It's called Jack in the Box. Search it up on Google if you don't know.
Have
Search
you
it up.
Have you made one before?
Yeah.
No, we haven't made one, but I'm gonna tell you, ma'am. I'm gonna show you. Jack.
It's like a spring toy inside a box.
I'm gonna show you, ma'am.
Amila, what happens to your specs?
again? What?
Where's your specs?
Huh?
You have a specs, right?
take the auditorium, ma'am.
Eh?
What? You have all the time.
Where's your goggles? Glasses?
I do not have goggles. I don't know.
I know goggles is that one. It just came to my mind. Where's your glasses, Jay?
I would never went into.
No, you're planning to say glasses, right?
Yeah, glasses work.
I'm not.
You mean Amila's, right?
Jack in the box.
This is the thing. This is a jack in the box.
Oh, okay.
This.
It gives you a
can
fun.
make one and show us tomorrow in the morning assembly. How does that sound?
Can I make one today, like after this class ends?
After the class ends, yes. Then tomorrow morning you can show us.
Ma'am, it's pretty it just gives us a jump scare. Like we roll it and then we don't know when it's gonna pop up, but it pops up at a time.
I'm already
and then
it makes it sound. It makes it kind of like that sound, right?
You know, I'm not even scared of anything. Not even scared of anything at all. But you know that piggy bank, like when we put a coin there and then a box opens and then a cat takes it in.
Yeah.
Hey, show me the video.
It might be a white cat.
Show me a jump scare video. Hey, show me a jump scare video. Show me a jump scare video.
You
I want.
guys.
You mean me?
Oh, I'm not even scared of anything. I'm not even scared of anything.
Oh,
You're gonna be jump scared, I promise.
What about getting?
I'm not gonna get jump scared. Is this like where is this Jack in the Box? Jack in the Box. You want the Jack in the Box jump scare? Okay, I know that.
You can find it on websites, or you can find it on Amazon, or maybe Target.
I want to waste my money for jump scare things. Plus my parents don't even know.
I did put a Jack in a Box jump scare.
She'll get scared when
Okay. What happened? Everyone got stuck?
no.
Girls are not afraid little Jack in boxes, whatever they are.
Like my mom will go wee.
Jack in a box. Your mom will just be like this. Look, your mom will just be like this.
No, before you go off topic, Marina,
No,
where's
she'll
your
be like
uniform?
wee.
No.
Marina, what happened to the uniform, dear?
Oh yeah, my uniform. How about Amila? Or Camila?
That
Who's
is
wearing?
next one. First I'm coming to you. I'll go to her. Where's your uniform?
I was almost. I can't. It's not connected actually.
Tomorrow
Hi,
you
I just
decide
heard
the
about
leader, okay? Marina, wear uniform. Amita, what happened to your uniform?
Forget.
Tomorrow don't forget. Wear it, okay?
Look, see, my mom was in a rush to go to her school,
November 5
and I didn't.
on Friday, right?
Yeah.
And I have like some like
Why
road
what
okay.
wasn't it a
Show
time?
me a jump scare. Because November 5 is Wednesday and November 6th is Thursday.
Yes, day after tomorrow you have your competitions, by the way. Are you all prepared? Spelling bee?
Tomorrow it's my birthday.
Tomorrow is your birthday?
Tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow's
Day after tomorrow, you mean 6th?
you mean six.
3 days.
After
7. That's what I
tomorrow's day after
mean.
tomorrow.
Ma'am, can I say something?
I said 3 days
I'm joining
after
the spelling bee.
Ma'am, if it was August right now, today's my birthday. If it was August.
Up goes the weasel.
Next year I
Because-
will wish you.
August 3rd is my birthday.
Everyone prepare for your spelling bee, okay? It's a noun.
I already wrote 100 words.
Very good.
Wait,
That's nice.
what words do we need? I don't
Amira
know
is
how.
very
I'm
excited
supposed to
to
say
teach
it
maths.
out loud.
Bye,
The spelling
Amira. Have a good day. Bye, guys.
All of us